With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question is the color change of an indicator HIN in acid-base titration is given. So this HIN in aqueous state gives color X. So it is dissociated to give H positive in aqueous state and IN minus in aqueous state, and the color of this HIN is X, color X, and here the color Y is there. So the question is, which of the following statement is correct? In strong alkaline solution, color Y will be observed. In strong acidic solution, color Y will be observed. Concentration of IN minus is higher than that of HI at equivalence point. In strong alkaline solution, color X is observed. So let's discuss. First, we will be writing this equation. So it is HIN and it will give us H positive plus IN minus in aqueous state. And here the color is X and here the color is Y. So it is said that it is acid-base titration. So it means that base will be present in the solution, that is alkaline solution will be there. Now we can see here this HIN gives H positive. That means it is acidic. That means here base will be present to absorb it. So if we consider base, so for this reaction to move forward, a base will be present that will absorb this H positive ions. Then only the reaction can move in forward direction. So this is the basic concept of this reaction. Now let's understand each and every option given above. So the first statement, in a strong alkaline solution, color Y will be observed. This is absolutely true, as when the strong alkaline solution will be present, means the base concentration will be high, means it will absorb the H positive concentration, the H positive that will be formed. So the reaction will shift in the forward direction and more the strong color of Y will be observed. Now in the second equation is said that in a strong acidic solution, color Y will be observed. So if it is strong acidic solution, then H positive will be produced. Now this H positive more will be produced. Then the reaction will shift in the this backward direction. So this statement will be wrong. Concentration of IN minus is higher than that of HIN at equivalence point. So equivalence point means I'm talking about acid-base titration here. At equivalence point, what happens? The amount of acid, number of moles of acid will equal to, it will be NH here. The number of moles of acid will neutralize the number of base present in the titration. This is known as equivalence point here. So this is incorrect here. And in the last, in strong alkaline solution, color X is observed. So if it is strongly alkaline, then what happens is color of X is observed. So what happens is, this base will be abstracting this proton molecules here. So color Y will be observed as more of I will be formed here. So this statement is wrong. So the correct statement here is the first one. In a strong alkaline solution, color will be observed. Color Y will be observed. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.